If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Spotify, follow these steps to ensure that the transaction is halted before it completes. Step 1. Open the Spotify app. Launch the Spotify app on your device or access the Spotify website through your browser. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to your account settings. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile picture or username. Look for the option that says Account or Settings to access your account details. Step 3. Check payment history. In Account Settings, find the section that displays your payment history or subscriptions. This will show you any pending transactions that are currently in process. Step 4. Locate the pending transaction. Identify the specific pending transaction you wish to cancel. Take note of the details, such as the amount and the date of the transaction. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the option to cancel the transaction is not available directly in your account settings, reach out to Spotify's customer support. Provide them with the details of the pending transaction and request cancellation. After following these steps, you should be able to successfully cancel the pending transaction on Spotify. If you encounter any issues, customer support will assist you further.